I'm Julie Hawkins. I recently graduated from Turing 2 weeks ago. I'm here presenting my app that I built with two of my teammates. It's called the FAN app, which is the Humane League Fast Action Network. The admin dashboard. I'm excited about this project because it was a fully fledged front-end and back-end project, and being a graduate of the front-end program, learning both sides of an app was especially awesome.
Use either of those options. We're going to go ahead and sign in through Facebook.
Yeah, I'm excited to be a tech professional now.
I'm Julie Dersma. I worked on the project Governor Colorado Tracker. What it does is it cleans dirty data from the Colorado Secretary of State's office, it makes an API, and it gives insight into the Colorado governor's.
You can sort these by their party, get more information about their campaign.
Shows where the money's coming from, how the candidates stack up against each other, and it shows all of the donors for all the candidates. This is really a project that I'm most proud of at Turing because I came to Turing as a former data journalist. I had all of this data, but I couldn't do anything with it. And finally, now that I've been at Turing, I'm able to make an app that really shares public data and gives public access to information that they need to know.
California has already contributed $300,000 to the Colorado election, as well as New York State. All the total contributions given, the total number of contributions, as well as the total expenditure.
Is it lets you get a playlist based on the rhythm of your steps, whether you're walking or running. I call it step to the beat because you step along with the beat of the song. It was just an idea, and now it's real, and that's really the most exciting part for me.
Hi, I'm Tyler Madsen, back-end engineering student at Turing. Just entered my last module, so we'll be graduating in about 6 weeks or so. So Turing has really provided me with the foundational knowledge that I need to build some awesome tools and applications.
Files, and essentially you can delete if you don't need one of those files anymore. So I'm going to paste in my resume.
My most recent project, I'm really proud of it. Really a testament to the schooling that we provided at Turing, and just spending a lot of time doing one thing, how efficient you can actually become at doing it.
Before Turing, I was a physical therapist. So one thing I ended up working a lot with people with Parkinson's disease. And so the idea for my project was to create some kind of application that would help people organize their medications, doctor appointments, and just kind of organize their care.
Basically, the goal is just kind of help people with Parkinson's initially, their family, and their caregivers.
Yeah, the app's built in Rails with a Postgres database. The front end uses a little bit of jQuery, Ajax, and just Sass. And I did use Flask and Scikit-learn to build a separate API.
It would have been helpful, but just showing like a histogram of classification models, binary classifiers. So the first one was a logistic regression model, and the second one I tried was to support vector machine.
I'm Hugh Hardigan. I'm Rob Morgan. We built the Spirit app, and it's a reasoning tool for occupational therapists that work with children. It helps them to better build therapy goals and treatment plans.
It's built in React Redux, and it's really big. It's a really extensive project. We're excited to work with Redux because it holds a lot of data at once.
When you save that, you can select that and move on to the next screen.
So as we walked through a specific process that they wanted built, it had a little nuance, but they've taught it to a lot of occupational therapists all over the world. So it was something we could do that would make it easier for them, but it was also something that a lot of people depended on, so they wanted to make sure we did it right.
I think the coolest thing about it is that we have an actual client for it. And so from working with a client, and which consistently sort of changed, it was like a moving target, consistently changed what we had to do over and over again, made it a lot.
You can actually go through and then we can get a better idea of what the difference is in those two terms. And we can rate those. And as we can see here, this is where those thread connections
Is a machine learning app to help students learn how to read. And so
start to decrement or increment up and get that feature.
There's gotta be winners. So there's some Amazon gift cards, and in third place we have Maria and Julie with Colorado Governor Tracker. In second place, Hugh and Rob with Spirit. First place, Alyssa with Read